open. So we will open and we will just put it in the microwave. After that we will burn. After that we will close that. After that we will start. After that we will waiting, and now we will open and take out. After that we will put popcorn in the bowl. After that we will put masala in the bowl. After that we can eat.